Today we're going to go over factoring with the X method. Remember that on the X method you have to factor out if there is a greatest common factor out of the trinomial first. If there's not, then you go straight into the X method. So let's look at number 1. Does 4, 20, and 25 have a greatest common factor? No. So I get to skip that step and go straight to the X method. Oh, at the top of y'all's page, actually draw an X, put A times C, put B, and put over A over A. Just so y'all remember what goes where. Okay, so let's go to number 1. So A times C goes up here. What is 4 times 25? 100. B goes down here, which is 20. So remember, we are looking for factors of 100 that add up to 20. Now let's pretend we don't know our factors of 100 so I can remind y'all how to use your calculator. Where do I go if I don't know my factors of 100? Y equals, what do I put in? 100 divided by X. You go to your table, your first factor is 1 times 100. Well, that's not going to give me 20. 2 times 50, 4 times 25, and 5 times 20, 10 times 10. Which one am I going to use that will add up to give me 20? 10 times 10. So I have 10 over A, well, A is 4, and I have 10 over A, which is 4. What do I have to do to those numbers? Simplify the fraction. If I divide the top and bottom by 2, I end up with 5 halves. Bottoms up, this goes first. It is an X, so 2X plus 5 times 2X plus 5. Is there another way I can write this expression since they're the exact same thing being multiplied by themselves? 2x plus 5 in parentheses and then squared. So this is the answer, or you could write it 2x plus 5 squared. And that's probably how you'll see it on the EOC. Good? Makes sense? Now, on like a question like number 2, you have 2 options. You could go factor it yourself with the X method, or you could just use the answer choices, do FOIL, and see which one gives you that. Totally up to you how you want to do that. I do want to talk to you about number 3 and number 4. These are perfect squares, yes? You don't have to do the X method if you don't want to. You can literally say, what is the square root of X squared? X. What is the square root of 64? 8. And it's a minus sign, so it'd be X plus 8, X minus 8. Anytime the BX is missing in the middle, and they're both perfect squares, you can literally square root both of them. If it's a minus sign, one's plus, one's minus. So do y'all see how number 4 will be done the same way? Yes or no? Okay. Let me see if there's anything else I want to go over with y'all. I don't think so. Just please, please, please remember that you absolutely have to take out the greatest common factor first. I don't think any of these had a greatest common factor, but there probably will be one on the EOC like that. Okay? All right, y'all can help each other. You can work together. Ask me for help. Just let me know if you need anything.